Hey YouTube, I'm Shanag from SoundLink Mini, back again with another hopefully useful video. Today we're going to talk about Bose SoundLink Mini. Is it worth buying in 2019? Let's find out. Let me tell you, this thing is awesome. A very compact and premium build. And for its size, it packs a mean punch. Voice clarity, trembles and a well-balanced bass. All handled well with 2 passive radiators. Talk about the controls. First off is the power button. This of course turns the device on and off. Also, long pressing the power button will indicate how much battery you got left. This happens in 3 color indications. Green being high, amber being medium, and red. Red is always bad, so it means the battery is low. Right after the power button, you find the mute button, which strangely most speakers don't have these days. Next up, the volume controls, followed by the Bluetooth connectivity key. When you have paired with the device, but if nothing is playing for the past 5 minutes, the speaker will go into sleep, helping to reserve its power. It also has the capacity to hold up to 6 paired devices for faster connectivity. What happens when all 6 slots are full? No problem. Just add a new device by pressing the Bluetooth button twice. The indicator turns blue and you are ready to connect your new device. But it will delete one device from its memory. No problem, not the end of the world. And the last button on the panel is AUX. Okay, it's time for a sound test. I'll play at 50% volume and then I'll increase all the way. Bring in volume to maximum. So, is it still worth it buying this old device in 2019? Heck yeah! Awesome sound quality and superb build. It's totally worth the money. Again, it all depends on your personal preference. That wraps up our video for today. Give a thumbs up if you like this video, and to keep yourself updated on details such as this, subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to get notification as soon as new content are uploaded.
It's delicious.
Alright, see you on the next one.